How's it going, everybody? So I am back with another CJ5 video. As you can see, many things have been done. Took all the fenders, the grill, the hood off, and I painted them, as you probably saw in the last video. I also took off the windshield, and I just finished painting that right there. It's actually on top of it right now. But we also took off the roll bar, which is right over there. And we painted the roll bar too, nice black. We also painted the bottom because it was actually rusting out. So right here was actually very rusty, as you could probably tell. And we did sand it a little bit, but yeah, just over 2 months or something did that. We also took out the tailgate, did all that. We're pretty much just cleaning everything up, getting it all ready to for us to take the body off. I'll probably be done in the next couple days, maybe a week. But as you can see, we put this up because we didn't actually want to take the radiator off because it was kind of challenging. Well, it wouldn't be challenging, but we'd have to drain all the radiator fluid, and it was just not something we wanted to do at the moment. On this fuel filter, or this fuel pump, it keeps getting this blue stuff. I don't know actually what that is. If you guys know, comment, but I think it's something from the tank, and that's why we changed the last fuel pump, is because it had that stuff in it. But yeah, if you know what that is, just leave a comment. Okay, we have the hood, the windshield, and like the outer around it. We have the tailgate on the other side. We're gonna bedline this side, so that's why I didn't prime it. We have the back of the grill, and we also have the front of the grill primed. This is the actual color we're going to be using for the inside of the engine bay. And as you can see, we got the fenders up there, the other one's behind it, and it's primed on the good what's showing on the outside. On this hood, we have the top of it primed and sanded, and on the back we already have it painted black. So we're going to paint the windshield, around the windshield, the same color as we're going to paint the Jeep. And this part right here, as you can see, it looks really not too good. This actually had a lot of rust. So the guys before us, they actually put electrical tape right there trying to stop it. And it didn't. It actually made it a lot worse. So as you can see, it is primed. I did take out probably all the rust there. Put a nice coat of rust inverter, and then I put some of this automotive primer on it. Looks pretty good now. Like I said before, we're going to paint this Jeep a nice teal color. I think it's going to be looking really good with the black seats and the black roll bar. We're going to paint the whole inside of this with a bed liner, as we have some of it right here. So we're going to clean it all out because it's got really dirty now. I'm going to paint it with the bed liner. We're going to paint this the same color as the body as it is right now. And then once we take off the whole body, we're going to paint the whole underside with undercoating, so like a rubberized coating, which I think is going to look really good. And then we're also going to sand down the frame, because as you can see right there, it's kind of rusty, and that's kind of how it is all throughout. Kind of looks like that right in the center. My finger's pointing. That's how it looks pretty much underneath, except a little bit more dirty. But we're going to sand it all down and paint it all with a nice flat black, because that's just kind of the theme. We're going to go with teal with the flat black. So before we take off the body, we're going to take off the gas tank, which is only about a quarter tank. But we do believe that there is stuff in this tank, like either rust or some additive that they put in, the guys before us, so that's why it has that blue stuff in the fuel pump. So the question might be is why we're going to take off the frame. Why can't we just do all this work while the body's on the frame? Well, underneath the engine, the transmission, the transfer case, and all the drive shafts, we really just want to clean those all up without dropping it. But that's for this update. We're gonna probably take off the body. That's probably what you're gonna see next. And then I'll probably do the frame and then paint it. probably maybe in that order. I might even do the show all the grease fittings and do all that, draining the transmission and engine and gear oil from everything. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. If you want to see more of this Jeep, the playlist will be down in the description. So have a good rest of your day. And like I said in an earlier video, we're gonna paint this this Jeep a nice teal. Cut myself.